In today's video, where we will be diving deep into the invigorating world of cold plunging and ice baths. If you've been curious about trying this chilling practice but have a multitude of questions swirling in your mind, you're in the right place. I'm here to address your most pressing queries, unveil the benefits, address potential risks, and share tips to make your icy plunge an enjoyable and effective experience. So let's jump right in and lace this discussion with insights to convert curiosity into action. Are you a complete beginner wondering if cold plunging is right for you? Are you curious about the benefits of subjecting your body to icy waters? How about trying to figure out how to safely turn your bathtub into a makeshift ice bath retreat? Stay tuned as I tantalize your curiosity, revealing how this practice can genuinely work wonders for relaxation and much more. But wait, there's more. We'll explore potential risks, delve into suitable audience profiles and possible alternatives, and top it all off with tips to enhance your cold plunge experience. If you're ready to take the plunge into a world of chill-induced wellness, hit that subscribe button and life-changing. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together with a small quantity of the deal weighed through. Icy waters together. Alright, let's start by addressing the burning question on every newcomer's mind. Is cold plunging suitable for beginners? Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or completely new to the concept, rest assured that I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for anyone willing to give it a try. Next up, we'll unlock the treasure trove of benefits that cold plunging has to offer. From improved circulation to reduced inflammation and increased endorphin release to accelerated muscle recovery, the advantages are boundless. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the science behind this centuries-old practice and how it can transform not just your body, but your mind as well. Safety first. I'll share expert tips on how to create your own ice bath sanctuary at home, ensuring you cool off without any frosty mishaps. We'll also tackle the vital question of whether ice baths truly work for relaxation and how you can maximize their soothing effects to unwind and de-stress after a long day. But hey, before you dive in headfirst, let's discuss potential risks associated with ice baths and whether individuals with specific health conditions should proceed with caution or opt for alternative practices. We'll break down the do's and don'ts to ensure your icy plunge remains a refreshing experience without any cold feet. Are you curious about how often you should take the plunge to reap the full benefits? I'll provide insights on the frequency of ice baths for optimal results and explore alternative methods that offer similar perks for those seeking a different chill-induced wellness routine. Eyeing the horizon, we'll transition into tips and tricks for making your frosty dip more enjoyable and effective. From setting the right temperature to incorporating aromatherapy or meditative practices, I'll unveil secrets to amplify your icy experience and turn it into a ritual you eagerly anticipate. Lastly, we'll ponder the inclusivity of ice baths, discussing whether this practice is suitable for all types of audiences, content creators, and channels. Whether you're an adventurous soul looking for a new challenge or a wellness enthusiast seeking a unique way to enhance your routine, there's a frozen oasis waiting for you within these frosty waters. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where chilly relaxation meets therapeutic benefits, and let's embark on a journey that promises to invigorate your body, mind, and soul. So grab your towels, brace yourself for the cold, and let's explore the icy depths of cold plunging together. Stay tuned, stay chilled, and let's make a splash in the world of ice baths. What's important to know? Number 1. Is cold plunging suitable for beginners? Number 2. Benefits of cold plunging: improved circulation, reduced inflammation, endorphin release, and accelerated muscle recovery. Number 3. Tips for creating a safe ice bath environment at home. Number 4. Addressing potential risks and precautions for specific health conditions. Number 5. Frequency of ice baths for optimal benefits and alternative wellness routines. Number 6. Making the cold plunge more enjoyable and effective with tips and tricks. Number 7. Inclusivity of ice baths for different audiences and channels. Number 8. Embracing a new world of chilly relaxation and therapeutic benefits through cold plunging. Let's talk about the beginner course of action. Number 1. Start by familiarizing yourself with the concept of cold plunging. Number 2. Consider your comfort level and readiness to try this practice. Number 3. Research the benefits and potential risks associated with ice baths. Number 4. Seek advice from health professionals if you have specific health concerns. Number 5. Prepare your ice bath sanctuary at home with safety measures in place. Number 6. Take gradual steps and don't rush into extended cold plunges. Number 7. Experiment with different techniques to enhance your experience, such as aromatherapy or meditation. Number 8. Stay mindful of your body's response and adjust the practice accordingly. Number 9. Explore resources and communities to learn more about cold plunging and to connect with like-minded individuals or resources. Number 10. Embrace the journey of discovering the benefits of cold plunging with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Embark on a refreshing journey as we explore the wonders of cold plunging, from its rejuvenating benefits to safety guidelines, tips for a blissful experience, and inclusive nature. Join us in discovering the invigorating world of ice baths, and let's chill together in this icy oasis. Cold plunge therapy, also known as ice baths, is used by athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo and LeBron James to aid muscle recovery by reducing inflammation and soreness. Its benefits include improved circulation, reduced muscle swelling, and enhanced immune function. While some swear by its effectiveness, research on cold plunge therapy is mixed. Studies show it may help with acute recovery after intense exercise, but have limited impact on long-term muscle growth. Despite the anecdotal evidence, further research is needed to establish its benefits definitively. Cold plunge therapy involves immersing the body in cold water for a short period, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. The cold temperature constricts blood vessels, which can help reduce inflammation and swelling in muscles after intense physical activity. This process is believed to flush out toxins and metabolic waste products, accelerating the recovery process. Some athletes use cold plunge therapy to enhance their performance, claiming that it helps them bounce back quicker from intense workouts or competitions. The cold water is said to promote the release of endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can help alleviate pain and elevate mood. While many athletes and fitness enthusiasts swear by the benefits of cold plunge therapy, the scientific evidence supporting its efficacy is not yet conclusive. Some studies suggest that cold water immersion can be beneficial for reducing muscle soreness and improving recovery in the short term. However, other research indicates that its long-term effects on muscle growth and performance may be limited. It's essential to consider individual preferences and sensitivities when deciding whether to incorporate cold plunge therapy into a recovery routine. Some people find the experience invigorating and beneficial, while others may struggle with the intense cold and discomfort. As with any wellness practice, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making it a regular part of your routine. In conclusion, ice baths offer numerous benefits for both the mind and body, such as reduced inflammation, improved muscle recovery, and increased mental resilience. If you're ready to experience these revitalizing effects, don't hesitate to incorporate ice baths into your routine. Start gradually, ensuring you follow recommended guidelines and techniques to reap the full benefits. Embrace the invigorating sensation, push your boundaries, and feel the transformative power of cold plunging. Take the plunge today and unlock a world of refreshment and rejuvenation.